This is how I apply my foundation. I prepare my face, I moisturize, I put on powder. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my foundation, how I prep my face, and how I apply my foundation. So it's just basically my foundation routine. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So if you want to stick and watch this video, then just stay with me, don't go nowhere, okay guys? And I'll just delve in. And before I do that, if you have not watched my previous video, my last video, the link will be up on your screen, so you just click and watch after this one. And yeah, you might want to check it out, and the ones before that one. Yes guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it interesting. So the first thing I'll do is I will moisturize my face. So I'll be using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's for face and body, so this is what I'll be using. And I'll just take a little like this, and I'll just put it on my face, and I'll moisturize my face. So I already have a clean, fresh face, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize. So the next step I'll be doing is to apply my loose powder, and I'll be using Black Up Anti-Brilliance loose powder, Anti-Brilliance, Anti-Shine. Let me get that camera to focus. Okay, Anti-Brilliance, Anti-Shine loose powder by Black Up. So that's the next thing I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna take a little and go it all over my face. Just to reduce shine and give it that matte finish. Now the next step I'm going to be taking is setting spray. So I'll be using my pure facial and body water setting spray, which has rose water and aloe vera inside. So this is from Caramans, rose water and aloe vera. That's it. So I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to be spraying on my face. And then I'm going to use a brush to, brush it all over my face. Just brush it in. Now this is to give my face the hydration that it needs. Yes. And the next step I'm going to be taking is to apply my primer. So I'm using this old primer of mine, which is from Black Up. But the body is already cleared up, so the writings on the body is cleared up, so it's more like plain. So I'm not going to be showing it because I won't be showing anything, but it's from Black Up and is an ultra matte face primer. So I'm just going to be doing that, applying it on my face. Now that I'm done prepping my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And today I'll be using the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. This is what I'm gonna be using. So I'll just press out 2 pumps of this foundation on my hand. And then I'm using my foundation brush from Zoeva. I'm just gonna go in and start applying my foundation. So guys, the next step I'm gonna take is using my Black Up translucent anti-shine powder, the one I showed you earlier. This is it, and this is it. So I'm just gonna take a little and go ahead and just press it into the foundation, just to maintain that matte look, nothing shiny. Okay, now that I'm done, look at it guys. This is how I apply my foundation. I prepare my face, I moisturize, I put on powder, loose powder, and then I spray my face with a water-based setting spray. I use setting spray, water-based spray, and then I prime my face and I apply my foundation, and then I use my setting powder again to set that foundation to give it that flawless and beautiful look, as you can see guys. So now this is how I do my foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you staying this long. Don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me. Subscribe, like and share if you really enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. This video which you're going to be seeing up on your screen right as I'm up on your screen at this moment. Okay, don't forget to watch don't forget to watch others of my videos. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Anyway guys,